Hello everyone! Today let's have a look at some common medical terms used in OET Listening Test which will be useful for you. Number 1. Cholangiogram. It is a medical imaging procedure used to examine the bile ducts. For example, the patient underwent a cholangiogram to investigate the cause of jaundice. Number 2. Proctoscopy. It is a medical procedure used to examine the rectum and the lower part of the colon. For example, the gastroenterologist performed a proctoscopy to assess rectal bleeding. Number 3. Punch biopsy. It is used to obtain a small sample of tissue for examination under a microscope. For instance, the dermatologist performed a punch biopsy on the suspicious skin lesion. Number 4. Scintigraphy. It is a medical imaging technique that uses radioactive substance to create images of organs and tissues. For example, the patient underwent a cardiac scintigraphy to assess heart function. These procedures are commonly discussed in OET listening scenarios to assess a candidate's understanding of medical terminology and patient care context. I hope this is useful for you. Do follow Tiju's Academy for more informative tips. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.